Let's learn how you can remove one photo from multiple photos you selected for a post on your Instagram. I will show you this tutorial on iPhone, but you can follow up with any other device you want. So without any delay, let us start by opening our Instagram. Now you'll have to go and create the post. You'll do that by clicking on plus on middle bottom icon. And now just select multiple photos. To do that, click on this little icon with two pages. Now, as you can see, the photos you select will be selected by the number. So this was the selected first, this is second, this is third. To remove, just click on some picture you want to deselect, and the number will go down by one. So we can select, like for example, 7. If I remove fourth, now it will be 6, if you understand me. So that's it. It's not a big deal. It's not complicated.